from B&B Auto Sales, out driving our Chevy K20. You can see we're going 60. Got good oil pressure, tack about 3,000 RPM. Runs down the road great. Even has the vintage topper on it currently. We may take that off, but if you want it, you can have it. If you don't want it, we'll take it off. So, but nice driving truck. I think 2-owner truck out of Oregon. Nice and dry and no rust. Decent repaint there. You can see it shines pretty good on the hood. I walk around video showing there's some imperfections in the paint, but for the most part, nice truck. Non-air truck, but 350 automatic with a turbo 400, dual tanks, added brake controller and tack. The only thing I know that doesn't work is the temp gauge. So you need a new gauge or an aftermarket gauge. We'll go up to the corner here and show you the brakes and go through the gears on takeoff. These square bodies, I know they've gotten higher priced. You can't imagine in 37 years how many I've sold for $5,000, but they're still a good investment because they just keep getting stronger and stronger and stronger. So if you want one, good time to buy them, and good solid rust-free ones are the way to go. We keep a good selection of them, everything from projects to restored ones, so short box, long box, so look at all of them. Just go to bnbautosales.com. First to second. Second to third. So if you're looking for a nice, clean, square body, give us a call. 605-695-7391.